Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jelena Labor Narasimhan from Grade 10 Mendoza, PLA grade. And today, I will show you how to cook chicken stock. But before that, I will show you the ingredients needed. So here are the ingredients needed. Chicken parts, carrots, bay leaves, onions, and celery. Put the chicken parts in the water. Add the vegetables. Let it simmer for an hour. After an hour, drain the stock, or just take out the veggies and chicken parts just like what I did. Then transfer it to a bowl. You can also top it with bay leaves.